Hi, I'm Ksenia Richards, Director of Philanthropy at IFB Solutions, America's leader in building life-changing opportunities for people who are blind. Welcome to my conversation today with Rusty Russell, Certified Financial Planner with Covenant Wealth Management. Thank you for joining me today, Rusty.
Ksenia, thanks so much for having me.
Well, in the next 4 minutes, Rusty will share some key tips and advantages of end-of-year gift planning that you can use immediately. So without losing any time, let us begin. Rusty, I know you work professionally with clients who are donors of IFB Solutions, and you approach your work from the planning perspective.
Right.
So this year has presented some unique challenges, but it also created an opportunity. And some opportunities come from the COVID-related CARES Act. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Ksenia. The CARES Act, which was really designed to provide COVID relief throughout the nation, has some interesting provisions in it that will help directly for not-for-profit organizations like IFB Solutions. And that's in the charitable gift deductibility limits. So up until this year, an individual donor could give up to 60% of their adjusted gross income and take a tax deduction for that gift in that year in a cash contribution. This year, that limit has been increased to 100% of their adjusted gross income, providing some great planning opportunities for them. Now, that increase is only for gifts to public charities, not foundations, not donor-advised funds. So that puts IFB Solutions in a great opportunity to take advantage of some good planning on behalf of their donors.
Well, these are very important key points, and they affect mostly cash contributions. So
Yes.
how are other gifts affected, like the gifts of real estate and gifts of appreciated stock?
Yeah, that's a great question. This year is, again, a very interesting year for things like stock portfolios. The market has certainly been all over the map. As we're talking today, though, the stock market has actually reached some new all-time highs. So some of the folks that you work with as donors may have stock portfolios that have increased in value and an ability to donate some of those stock portfolios or portions of them to get a good benefit for taxes, but also to avoid capital gains through that direct gift of the asset. Real estate has been another interesting thing that we've seen this year. Real estate, especially residential real estate, has gone up in value. Those may also be great candidates for donating so that we can avoid capital gains and take advantage of the tax deductions. Now, there are some limitations of being non-cash gifts, and you'll want to talk with your planning professionals to get really good advice tailored to your situation on those things. Businesses also have the ability to donate either a portion or even all of the ownership of the business directly to a not-for-profit. And there are some great opportunities to give ongoing gifts of income without taxation in some of those scenarios as well. So a lot of great planning opportunities this year in those areas also.
Rusty, thank you so much for some very key insights for the end of year gift planning. I really appreciate you joining me today.
Thank you. It's been my pleasure.
So those of you who would like to make a cash contribution to IFB Solutions, we have a fundraiser going on just today on Giving Tuesday on our Facebook page. Please consider supporting. And if you would like to learn more about my conversation with Rusty and understand how you can optimize your giving while also maximizing your tax advantage, please contact me directly. I will be happy to discuss your personal situation. My email is krichards@ifbsolutions.org. From all of us at IFB Solutions, thank you so much for your generosity, and we wish you health and prosperity.